grab them.
You know?
Mm.
They don't pay 6. 6 o'clock, boy. Just 10 past, 10 past 6, 5.
Come on, you dumb. Alright, babe. Can you get my charger? Should I in this one?
Yeah.
Well, I don't need to end it. I'm not doing anything. Yeah, I'm at home. But if I end it, everyone's gonna say I cheated. I can't lie, I'm falling asleep though. My eyes are closing. It's 14 minutes past 5 in the morning. I'm tired.
I can't fly.
Oh no, I wanna end it now. Should we cuddle and go bed? Go to sleep. Okay.
I can't fly. End it.
Well, I don't need to end it. I'm not doing anything. Yeah, I'm at home. But if I end it, everyone's gonna say I cheated. I can't lie, I'm falling asleep though. My eyes are closing. It's 14 minutes past 5 in the morning. I'm tired.
I can't feel life.
Oh no, I wanna end it now. Should we cuddle and go bed? Go to sleep. Okay.
I can't feel life. End it.
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go to bed now. My eyes are closing. Oh, we should turn off the light though. We're gonna sleep with the light on. Right, I'm going to bed now. I'm not GM, man. I know people are going to say that's going to piss me off in the morning, bro. When I wake up in the afternoon, people's going to be chatting shit saying that fucking GM, bro. But yeah, I'm going to bed now. I'm tired. Okay, bye. Good night.